Well, my name is Manuel Recio, and I'm the head of Section 2 in the Division of Latin America.
My name is Javier Guarnizo. I am section head of the Quality Assurance section of the Technical Cooperation Department.
We have held very recently a workshop on reviewing the initial project design for the regional project of our program, of our division, for the next technical cooperation cycle, 2014-15.
I was the facilitator or supporting section together with my team in order to provide to the workshop with the methodology, the standards, the criteria, and the approach to be used in the project design.
This workshop was just basically one step in a 2-year process. So the first, really the initial step was the submission of proposals by member states. So out of these proposals, in consultation with them, we selected a core group of proposals, 16. And normally the project designs are basically made by the coordinators of the projects alone. This time we wanted to do a collective exercise, so bringing them here to Vienna so that they had the opportunity to work together with technical officers, with partners from the region, even with quality officers, so to ensure that the projects were really meeting our TC quality criteria. And this definitely will help us to have better design projects, but also something that is critical for us, that is to have realistic project designs. Sometimes we receive projects that either they are very poorly designed or they are far beyond our capacities. So with this exercise, we are trying to bring some realism to the project design process.
The Technical Cooperation Program and the Technical Cooperation Department in the agency has established and adopted methodologies and standards for project management. And in particular, we have the logical framework approach as an adopted methodology. And in addition to that, we have established and adopted as well TC program quality criteria, so requirements that any project submitted to the agency has to comply. Yeah, this methodology is the most used in all international organizations to ensure that an adequate level of ownership and participation is embedded in the project design, and is the only way to make project documents realistic and results-oriented.
We divided this project into 4 working groups dealing with human health, food safety, environment, and radiation safety. So within each working group, we organized the projects that were more or less falling into this content, and they work together to design collectively these projects, sharing the information and sharing the experience all together with our technical officers and the experts from the region and partners.
Every group was presented and provided with the methodology every morning or at the beginning of every session, and then they conduct and apply the methodology to their own projects during the rest of the time. And at the end of the day, we get together in order to share and provide feedback directly in plenary. And that was a very good approach, because all the other groups could benefit from the experiences from other groups, and they share experiences and commented on the projects of other groups. So that provided a mechanism to share and exchange practices, good practices and ideas of how to improve project design in terms of logic, consistency, clarity, indicators, assumption, everything.